In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change your native language on Duolingo. Sometimes, by mistake, people set the wrong native language on Duolingo and need to fix it. Luckily, changing your native language is simple and can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Duolingo app and then tap on the flag icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on the plus button. Now you'll be able to see different languages, so what you want to do next is scroll down this list of apps and find languages that you already know and understand. If you can't see the language that you are looking for, you can tap on this button to see more languages. Tap and select a language that you can read and understand. And then tap on the blue button to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.